Hello guys, Eid Mubarak! Hi Sarah! So it is actually pretty late in the day. I didn't vlog this morning, I wish I did. So we went and got coffee this morning. Wait, we first went to prayer. We almost didn't make it, but we rolled out of bed, put on an abaya, put on some masks, and went to Eid Namaz at 10 o'clock. And then we went to have a little, what would you call it? Eid breakfast?
Oh, yeah, like a little post Eid Namaz breakfast.
And it was actually really good. So we got lattes and some baked goods, and then we went home and just chilled. We showered. I did Sarah's hair. I feel like she looks like Shakira. What do you guys think? And then we played Monopoly Deal, and now we're headed to this ranch. So we've actually never been, but Mariam and her in-laws have come here a couple times, and they said it's really great for like family hanging out. And we wanted to do something different because we always end up like at a restaurant. So this time we figured we'll rent out a space, buy some meat. So you buy your own meat, they marinate it for you, and then like you just cook it by yourself. So Sana did not wear Daisy clothes. Sana, explain yourself.
Yeah, it's currently 101 in Houston, Texas, and I don't want to wear a raw silk outfit, so we'll check out with you on the way home and ask who was the hottest. Yeah?
Yeah, it is actually very, very hot. But guys, Eid only happens once a year. Like,
but you can't rewear your outfit afterwards after you've sweated in it and there's like nothing.
Why?
Sweat
I'll dry clean it and then I can wear it again. Sarah has an excuse because she is, how many months are you?
7.
She's 7 months pregnant, so
we wear dresses together, so
she's wearing dresses.
Yeah, Sana kept me company, gave me support, needed it.
So we'll see you guys at
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm going,
okay, we made it to the ranch. Okay, so this is Mariam, you guys know that. This is Zoha, Lisa, amazing. What do you guys think of the ranch?
It's great. It's hot.
That's not what you said 2 minutes ago.
It's horrible.
Yeah, it's really hot. My back is actually dripping wet.
It's hot. It's a hot.
It's different. It's like a different vibe. I feel like we do the same thing every year.
Exactly.
So this is good for, I don't know, a change. So you basically get your own meat. Hi. And then like you just grill it yourself. And it's so cute. Yeah, it's like a little family-owned ranch. This is the ranch we came to. It's like a Turkish ranch, pretty far from our house. It's like an hour and a half away. But it's so cute for families because they have livestock. They have like a little playground set up for kids. And then they have like this huge seating area. And the way it works is like you get your own meat and then you grill it yourself. And it's so cute and fun. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. But it's so nice. We got a prego in the house. Sarah, what do you have?
A little portable fan with a little mister.
Personal fan? Yes. Cute. I'll link it for you guys. Okay, so we're just now having lunch. I'll show you guys Shabazz. He's the one grilling. We should have all. Wait, let's leave the camera here. What? We should have all what? This is my brother-in-law. He's the chef for today. What are you grilling? Here.
I don't know, whatever comes my way.
That's good. It's Turkish meat, or Turkish food, I guess. We're at a Turkish ranch.
Who you think telling all that?
My vlog. Wish I took a picture of this. We made a super cute fruit platter. My mom, aunt, and I. And it was so cute. I had like edible flowers in here, but it's like all picked through now. But it was so cute. If you guys want a little idea for, like, not party favor, but if you want to take something to someone's house, a fruit tray is like it.
There's your husband's.
Look how good my religious brother-in-law is. We should.
Okay, how am I gonna get out?
This little scoot to the left.
Okay, I'm back home now, but before I change, I want to quickly share my outfit for this Eid. I feel like for this Eid, we usually dress a little bit more casual than Eid Al Fitr. So I have on this 3-piece raw silk outfit. It's so pretty. It's like this gown maxi style. And then underneath, there's like cropped cigarette pants. And then it comes with a beautiful, like, I don't know, organza dupatta that's like embellished. So it's so cute and pretty, very simple but like chic. I got it from Amna Arshad, who's a Pakistani designer, so I'll link her down below. And then for my hijab, I wasn't wearing this earlier today, but I'm gonna go ahead and share this with you guys because I feel like this is a beautiful satin hijab to wear with like daisy clothes and for weddings and stuff. I would have worn this if we weren't going to the ranch, but the ranch I knew was going to be so hot, and I'm so glad I didn't wear this because I would have sweated so much. So I just wore my regular chiffon. But yeah, this is the look. I'll put a picture here on the screen because then you can see it a little bit more better. But this was my look and I loved it. So now I'm back home and my cousin Sarah might be sleeping over. She actually slept over last night. And last night was so fun, but we didn't get to vlog it because it was also very hectic. So my brother has a food truck. I feel like I mentioned it here on my YouTube before, but I'm not sure. But yeah, he has a food truck, and yesterday was a pop-up here nearby at a food truck park. So that was fun. Sarah, me, Sana, and my brother and my cousin Fahad, we were there till 1 a.m. So we were there from 9 to 1 a.m. and it was so chaotic. So we got home pretty late and then we woke up so late. We almost missed Eid prayer. But yeah. So, Sarah, are you sleeping over again or nah?
Maybe.
Are you calling Boo? Okay, she's gonna call her husband and see if she's sleeping over, but I'm gonna go run and pray and change out of this. Picking up some pizza. Here, I got it, Sarah.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. This is how Daisy's fight. Hide your card information. Thank you. We came to pick up a late night snack, being pizza. Because Prego wants it.
Okay.
And blame it on you.
The baby wants it, not
Baby wants it. So. Just got pizza. You think we're going to the... Oh, we have to go to the grocery store, right?
I need Tums.
We got pizza, now we're picking up Tums for the heartburn. Oy. The small is really small. It's like tiny. For the little ones, it's open, sir. Should we just leave the car here and walk over? Let go. Let me lock this. Okay. We're walking over to Kroger's to pick up some snacks. Oh, we can get a Redbox movie?
I'm down. I was gonna ask you if you had a laptop or something we could watch.
Yeah, have you started watching Marvel, Miss Marvel?
No. That was Gal Gadot?
No, it's that girl, the Desi girl that everyone's going crazy over.
Oh.
What's her name? Kamala. What's her real name? I don't know what her real name is. You made s'mores? S'mores sounds good right now.
I know.
We're looking for the perfect snack. Are you looking for Tums?
Or
Stomach remedies back there, right? Wait, is it heartburn? Oh yeah, it's on this side. Heartburn.
Ah.
Chewables?
Yeah.
Or like ultra strength? Well, Sarah and I were trying to have a really fun sleepover, but then Ismail just kind of messed it up. What do you think about that?
Which one?
You messed up our sleepover because you started crying, and now we have to babysit you. Yeah.
No, baby.
You're not a baby, I know, but we have to sit here and watch you until your mom comes to get you. Is that okay? So we're playing with Spider-Man and squishy toys, and we have a dessert here. Sarah and I are gonna eat a little dessert.
Batman.
But I hope his mom comes soon.
Hey, Batman.
Amazing. Come sit here.
Good. Toy. Toy.
How many
Why?
of those
Toy.
Peter
Today.
Rothman
Stay here.
faces do you have?
Stay here.
Nice. The water.
Here.
The moisturizer? I have 3.
You have 3 of those?
They sent it to me.
Oh.
But you can have one.
Here.
Do you know how much they
Here.
cost?
$60.
Oh, I
They're
know.
pretty expensive.
Yeah, I had a feeling.
Yeah, you can definitely take one.
Oh.
I do one time.
It's so good, right? I know. I was raving about it on my in my stories, and Sidra Hashmani said it's actually not that great. I used it for a whole year. Yeah, and I was like, girl, that's like the only moisturizer that has been really actually been like moisturizing my face.
Yeah, and the other thing is like you put it on, it's not like white, like it's like water, like it just water.
It's like gel, and it's like sinks in, right?
Off.
Oh,
Yeah,
I love it so much. I'll link it for you guys down below. It's Peter Thomas Roth Drench Moisturizer, and it's so good. What?
Look. You know.
That's disgusting. No, you have to take that off.
Why?
That's not good. She's putting a used bandage on his toys. Anyways, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. There's nothing else exciting going on. Okay. There's nothing else exciting going on. This was our Eid. All we did was pretty much go to the ranch. You got your Eid gift. Come here, hurry. Tell them what Eid gift you got.
Hold my bandage.
Okay, I'll hold your band-aid. Okay. Chalo, tell them what Eid gift you got.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. What else?
Toy.
Spider-Man blanket.
No, mine got Spider-Man blanket.
Oh, I mean Spider-Man towel.
Yeah, Spider-Man towel.
You got Spider-Man towel, and then what else did you get? Red slimy Play-Doh. Yeah. Red slimy Play-Doh. Good job.
There.
That's all. Okay, tell everyone Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
And goodbye.
Goodbye.
This is Jay's vlog. Bye, Jay's vlog.
Bye, Jay's vlog.
Bye.